In the grand court of Al-Mamoon, the air was heavy with pride and tension. Hundreds of the greatest scholars had gathered. Rich carpets covered the floor, golden lamps glowed above, and whispers filled in the hall. But today, something unusual was about to happen. At the center of the court sat a young boy, calm, composed, and fearless. He was Imam Muhammad al-Taqi alayhi salam. Many in the court looked at him with doubt.
He's just a child. How can he match the knowledge of great scholars?
Mamoon raised his hand, signaling silence. Then he turned to the most learned judge of the time, Yahya ibn Akhtam.
Ask him your hardest question.
Yahya stepped forward confidently, a slight smile on his face. He believed this would be easy.
O young boy, what is the kafara for a person in ihram who hunts and kills an animal?
The court fell silent. This was a difficult question. All the eyes in court turned towards the young Imam. But instead of answering, Imam alayhi salam raised his head and spoke with calm authority.
Your question is incomplete.
A wave of surprise spread through the crowd. Then he continued, one question after another.
Was the hunting done inside the haram or outside? Was it during Hajj or Umrah? Did the person know the law or not? Was it done intentionally or by mistake? Was it the first time or repeated? Was the person free or a slave? Was the animal a bird or a land animal? Was it small or large? Did it happen during the day or night? And did the person repent afterward or not?
Each question struck like a bolt of lightning. Yahya's confident expression faded. His lips trembled. Sweat formed on his forehead. He had no answer. The court, once full of whispers and doubt, now sat in complete silence. The scholars looked at each other in shock. Mamoon leaned forward on his throne, his eyes wide with shock and amazement. The entire court had fallen silent. The scholars who once doubted the young Imam now stared at him with respect and disbelief. Mamoon clenched his hands tightly. This was not how his plan was supposed to go. He wanted to weaken the Imam's honor and make people doubt his knowledge because of his young age. But instead, the opposite had happened. With calm wisdom and deep understanding, the young Imam had silenced the greatest minds of the kingdom. Every question he asked revealed knowledge far beyond ordinary learning.